So I was looking for a set of kind of like hands-free intercom system for when me and my son ride our ATVs, and I found this on Amazon. It's a set of two. I'll put the link in the description, so check them out on Amazon. They were $100 for a set of two, and they do support up to 3 headsets. I don't know if you do any more, what happens if they cancel each other out or whatnot, but it's just the two of us using them for now. But I mount to the side of the helmet. His, I was able to use the, there's a little clip, and then mine, I had to use the Velcro on mine just because my padding is glued to the helmet. His has a little slot in there you can get his in. As far as the quality goes, we're pretty decent. My speakers are there, and the other one on the other side is right behind the chin strap there. You can see it right there. I know my sons are behind some padding, which may hinder the sound a little bit. Does come with a microphone. Just got that bent around there on the boom. We did get pretty far the other day when we tried these out. He was quite a bit away, as I could still hear him. He always has a tendency to try to get my attention by yelling at the top of his lungs, and I don't always hear him, so now he can just talk normally into his microphone and be able to hear him. Definitely riding quads. When you're giving it throttle, it's kind of hard to hear, but once you let off the throttle, there's no issues hearing. But placement is definitely key. If you don't have these by your ears, you're not going to hear very well. But I didn't know if any of these, just for the intercom, like this is the button you need to push if you're going to answer a phone call or talk to somebody on the phone via Bluetooth. And then you got your volume up and volume down button there, and your power button's right there. But just to talk between the two helmets, it's hands-free. You don't need to push that button there at all. It just is always on, so you can just go ahead and talk. And they're good for playing music too. So that's what you hear in the headset. I mean, I can hear pretty clear out here. But yeah, the kit comes with, the clamp piece here, the Velcro, a little screwdriver, and all the wiring for the 2 headphones, and then the mic, and that just all goes into this one harness here. And then they do give you another cable that you can plug into this little adapter there. Or just like a regular headphone jack. So I know the reviews say they had a hard time. A lot of people were saying they had a hard time pairing them between 2 helmets. I didn't have that issue. I thought it was pretty easy. I just followed the directions. You hold that button down and that button down at the same time until they blink red, blue, and then you let off, and then you push either that one or that power button again, and they link up pretty quickly. But yeah, definitely worth it if you got younger riders and they're always trying to tell you something, or something happens, they can communicate with you if you're not, if you're out in front of them. But yeah, definitely check these out on Amazon. I would say they're worth it. But yeah, definitely put these by your ears, otherwise you're gonna have a hard time hearing. But so far so good. I know they make better ones. I didn't want to spend, $200, $300, $400 on a pair that may or may not have done the job. So I just got these 2 for about $100 on Amazon just to try them out, and they do work decently. So check them out. If you got younger riders and you want some family communication between riders,